In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Applying a credit memo is an essential feature for managing customer accounts, ensuring your records are accurate, and keeping everything in balance, whether you're issuing a refund or applying an adjustment. Let's dive in. First, log into your QuickBooks Online account using your usual credentials. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing business finances, and keeping every transaction accurate is crucial. Once logged in, look towards the top of your screen and click on the Create button. This is your starting point for creating anything new in QuickBooks, from invoices to, in this case, a credit memo. From the drop-down menu, select Credit Memo. This will open a blank credit memo form ready for you to fill in. Next, add the customer for whom this credit memo is being created. Click on the customer field and either select the correct customer from the list or type in their name. Accuracy here is essential, as applying the memo to the right account ensures your records remain correct. After selecting the customer, move on to the product/service section. Here, you'll add the items or services the credit memo applies to. You can itemize each product or service to reflect the exact adjustment being made. Once your products or services are listed, enter the amount for the credit memo. Double check this number for accuracy, as any errors could lead to issues during account reconciliation later. Finally, when everything looks correct, click Save and Send at the bottom of the form. This action not only saves the credit memo in your records, but also allows you to send it directly to your customer via email or save it for later communication. And that's it. You've successfully applied a credit memo to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. With practice, this process becomes a seamless part of managing your business finances, keeping accounts precise, and ensuring your customer records are always up to date. Thanks for watching, and happy bookkeeping.